equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and unplug it. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws. Keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, take a moment to clean any dust inside. This helps with airflow and performance. Next, locate the BIOS chip on the motherboard. It's usually near the center. Carefully inspect it for any visible damage. If everything looks good, you can proceed with the extraction. Use a BIOS programmer for this task. Connect it to the chip and follow the instructions provided with the programmer. Remember, if you're unsure, you can always seek a professional diagnosis without obligation. They can help you with pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about no calls, no travel. Always ask for a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Once you've extracted the BIOS, reverse the steps to reassemble your laptop. Power it on and check if everything is functioning correctly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.